I'm Jen Tackney.
And I'm Jeff Tackney.
And we're Team Tackney.
And today we're going to talk into...
What are we going to talk about? Today we're going to give you 3 tips for first-time home buyers. Check it out. Tip number 1.
Do your research.
And hire the right realtor. Do your research. So when you hire a realtor, they will let you know about different programs that mortgage companies offer for down payment assistance, as well as certain cities offer down payment assistance as well. So they may have grants, funding that can help you with your down payment. Currently right now, City of Garden Grove has one. Other cities in the past will give you anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000, possibly holding a second mortgage, a silent second that you don't pay back. And if you hold on to the home for a few years, that'll disappear after. So there's a lot of great programs for down payment assistance. So make sure that you reach out to us to ask us about those programs, or go ahead and do your own research with a loan officer about different down payment assistance programs. So tip number 1 is find out about down payment assistance.
Yep. Tip number 2, find out how much you can truly afford. This correlates with rent versus buy. Oftentimes, let's just say a $2,000 mortgage is going to equate to an $1,800 rent payment, because the extra $200 a month is a savings that you would get for taxes, as far as being able to write off mortgage interest. Get with a CPA or whoever does your taxes and find out, if you have this mortgage, how much are you going to be able to write off and save on a monthly basis, because that could correlate to a mortgage that's equal, if not better, than what you're paying rent.
It's a great tip, Jeff.
Thanks.
What's tip number 3?
Tip number 3, don't buy any silly big stuff when you're trying to buy a home.
So you want to...
Not silly big, but don't buy cars, furniture, expensive electronics.
Don't be at Home Goods and they offer you 10% off your purchase to open up a Home Goods credit card. Not while you're in escrow, because your mortgage loan officer will cry, because it will take your credit score and it will change your interest rate. And do not, under any circumstance, have any new inquiries on your credit while you're purchasing a home.
Just hold tight and wait till see Jen at Home Goods till after you buy that house.
That's right, because I'm there at Home Goods almost every day. So those are our 3 tips for first-time home buyers. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and like. Reach out to us if you have any questions.
Bye for now.